So it is 100 degrees outside. With the heat index, I think it's like 111. It got up to today. It's starting to cool down as the sun's starting to go down, and kids are out enjoying some fun. But what do you do when you are down south and in some of this hot weather? Let's talk about that. So if you guys are looking to come down to Florida, southern Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, any of these lower states, you're going to run into a huge thing where you're going to have to worry about the heat. And most people are saying, well, what happens if my RV doesn't take it? Or what can we do to help prevent that kind of stuff? And this isn't the video for that. We're just going to talk about some of the things that we've done. And as you can see here, we put some reflective insulation in. And that's definitely helped our rig when we get some of these hot days. As you can see, we got them here, we got them here, we got them back there. We've pretty much lined all of our rig with that, and we'll take you up front here and kind of show you the same thing. So, and the reason for that is back in the day, these weren't tinted, they were UV protective, but they didn't have any type of protection to try to keep the heat out. So that's where we decided to come up with the idea. We've seen a lot of other people do it. To buy a roll of this, kind of cut it up a little bit, make it, the bugs out tonight, holy crap. Cut it up a little bit, fit it to the windows, and then once the summer's pretty much all gone and we're not having to deal with it, we're gonna take and we're gonna roll it up and store it until next year. So it's reusable. Nice thing about this is it has helped a lot. So before, on some of the really humid days, we would have some of the temperatures get rose up in the RV. It wasn't terrible, but we did see an increase on that, and because we have two Huskies, we want to make sure that they're staying somewhat comfortable during the day. So we put this in place, and I think it's helped out. It's been about a 6 to 8 degree difference on bringing the temperature down. So definitely something you guys want to look into. But yeah, you know, the kids are out having a great time. We have probably towards the end of August now that we're looking to start trying to hopefully cool down a little bit and be able to actually enjoy some stuff outside. We've been out to Pirates Cove multiple times, and it's been nice out there, but you know, for the most part, I think it's going to be a great time being here. So being a goofball. So yeah, if you guys are looking for some advice on that, I would definitely look into some reflective stuff. Another thing that you guys can do too, as we talk a little bit about different things that we've done, is make sure your ACs are serviced. During your downtime of you not using them, by September, October, we've been told it gets a little bit cooler here. So once that happens, we're going to down the ACs and we're going to get them serviced. We're going to have somebody come out, take a look at the pressures, take a look at some other stuff on them, and see how well and how long they're going to last. If we need to replace them, that'll be the time that you guys want to replace them. So if you guys are looking for a major trip to come down this way, make sure your ACs are up to par. And if you guys are going to be boondocking in this area, probably not recommend that, because you're going to have to run your ACs all the time. And the sun, I can already tell you right now, the sun will not keep up with the solar panels and some of the other stuff out there. You definitely want a good area to be able to plug into to be able to use power so that you can cool your rig. Right now we got both air conditioners going. It's about 73 degrees in the RV. Crazy. Like I said, it was getting up to about 80-ish or so without these reflective covers in the windows. So definitely helped. But you know, the next thing we're also going to do is we're actually going to probably I'm thinking we're going to buy some tent, and we're going to tint the side windows. I can't do it to the windshield because it's technically illegal, but we can do it to the side windows, and that'll help cut down how much heat and how much light comes in there. One of the other things we did put in there too is some darkening blinds, some blackout blinds, which has definitely helped too. It makes them look more dark in there all the time. You can't really tell what the temperature or what it looks like outside, which kind of sucks in my eyes, but that's kind of the price you're going to pay if you're going to be in the area down here. You can keep it open It was about 83 degrees if we kept the windows and stuff open, so it wasn't too terribly bad, but with the humidity, we never tried it. We never let it get that bad. We might do a test, see how well it works out, record some of the results, and go from there. So, wow, these mosquitoes are out tonight.